Hey there, Coach Nevada here, giving you tools, tips, secrets, and resources to grow you, your business, and your bank account. So, you are here because you want to learn how to create a talking avatar. It is so easy. So, I'm going to show you how to do that with a program or a little tool called Heygen. And you can see it up here, Heygen. Now, with Heygen, you can take a still image, and like you saw me do with my photo, it was a still image, and turn it into a talking avatar. Now, you can also create long form content as an AI avatar, and you can make YouTube videos, explainer videos, and you never ever have to appear in front of a camera. Now, Heygen has a bunch of templates that you can choose from, and an AI presenter will talk on your behalf with a high quality text to speech as well as animated video. So, a lot to choose from there. Now, with Heygen, you get a free trial, so you can try out most of the things that they have, like you see over here, the voice, the video, those things. You can try out most things with the free trial. You don't have to upgrade. And another thing that you can do is you'll probably create an avatar because you got to get used to it. So you may do it a couple of times. And what you can do is, and I'll whisper this, if you have different emails, you can create a free trial with the different emails so that you actually don't have to upgrade to the pro version unless you choose to upgrade to the pro version. You can get quite a bit done without doing that. So what you're going to do is you'll see a screen that'll say free trial. You'll click on that. I've already done that. Then you'll see a little blue button that says get started. You click on that and you'll end up on the screen that you see right here. So I'm going to click on create video. When you do that, you'll see landscape. That's normally what you would use if you were doing a YouTube video. And portrait, that's for the cell phone. And that's if you're doing like a TikTok or a Facebook reel. So what we're going to do is we are going to choose the portrait one, but you actually can choose either one. Or per se, whichever one that you want to use, depending upon where and how you're going to use it. So then you can actually get an avatar from offline. They have avatars here as well that you can use. In this particular case, I'm going to make myself the avatar, but you certainly could either make yourself the avatar, or you can choose any type of woman or male that you describe. It can be created for you, and you could use this program to create the avatar, or there are other programs out there as well that you can use to create the avatar itself. Bring it in here and make it talk. So I already have my picture in here, so we're gonna click on it, and you can see here these across the top of here, these icons. You can kind of put the cursor under each one of them so that you can see what they do. This one allows you to put a frame around your talking avatar. So I'm going to make this bigger. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm going to make it bigger. Okay. And then I am going to go back here with this frame, and then I could do a circle or a square. I'm going to put that around it. And then I'm going to select a background color. I had on orange, so I'm gonna choose the orange here. And we're going to, now this is actually where you would put the text that you want the avatar to say. So I'm gonna get rid of this text that's here, and I'm going to put in, hi, my name is Nevada. I am a talking avatar. Okay, so that's what the text that I'm going to have it to say. Now, in the free trial, you can use 4 lines. So once you put a period, then you would have to actually press to start a new line. So kind of what I did to get as much words as possible, where I normally would have put a period, there were places that I just put a comma. If you go back and you listen to the talking avatar that I did. So right now what we're going to do, and there's a lot of features here that you can kind of come in, play with, get used to, but I'm just pretty much showing you the basics. So I'm going to click here.
Hi, my name is Nevada. I'm a talking avatar.
Okay, so click again.
Hi, my name is Nevada. I'm a talking avatar.
So you can hear it, you can see it. I just created a talking avatar. That's simple. So I'm just going to go back a second, and we're going to kind of, I had already uploaded. Right here is where I uploaded a picture of me. And when you upload a picture of yourself, you want something where you're kind of looking forward, like not to the side, because you want to make it look as real as possible. I could have used this demo guy. I could also upload an avatar on my computer and then upload it in here and use that to talk with, but it's that simple. Now here's here you can click here, and when you click here you can choose different voices. Like if it were a male, you could,
hello, this is how I sound, hope you like it.
And you can kind of see where it has the middle age or a youth voice and an explainer type narration type voice. So you can pick the different voices. Now you also can integrate your voice as well. I haven't done that, but I do know that the program will actually let you integrate your voice into the system as well. I think that's a little on the expensive side, but nevertheless, it can clone your voice. You give it your voice by sending it a voice over that you've done, or a sample of your voice, and then you can make the talking avatar in your voice. So that's also actually pretty cool. And that's pretty much it. You can again go back. You can kind of see exactly. You saw, well, you actually got a chance to see the avatar talk. Now, when you push the submit button, that's what actually makes it go live. Now, what may happen is the first avatar that I created, it did not talk until I actually submitted it. And then once it rendered, they sent me an email, because it took a little bit of time. I went on and did some other stuff on the computer. I mean, it wasn't like that long. It just depends on how much content that you're feeding it. But once it's done, you can navigate away from it if you choose to, and it's still working on it, and it'll send you an email letting you know that it's finished. And when you get the email, you can log back in here and you can hear the avatar speak, or you can actually send an email to yourself. And when you send the email to yourself, you can open the email on your telephone. You can download the avatar on your phone and then upload it to the various social media platforms. So that is how you create a talking avatar. And I was able to learn how to do that in a class that I am taking. It's a 12-week internet marketing class. It's 2 hours a day, Monday through Friday, 7 to 9 Eastern Standard Time. All the classes are recorded, and I'm telling you, the information has just been so powerful. The trainer teaches one subject for a whole week. Like we did clipping, we did faceless content. Well, it's called viral clipping. We did faceless content, an affiliate marketing academy. He calls them academies. We did a Paid Advertising Academy. Last week was the Facebook Marketing Academy. And this is not just any teacher. I mean, if someone's going to be teaching you, you definitely want to know, who's giving me information. And this is an 8-figure earner that is actually kind of doing a philanthropy project, you could say, because of the price that we're charged to get this training. This training, when I tell you how much it is, it's going to make your head spin. It's only $20 a month. So what that does is that equates to one class, $1 per class, because you have 5 classes a week, $1 per class. $5 times 4 weeks is $20. And I can tell you beyond a shadow of a doubt that the training should actually be, he could easily sell it for $5,000, $6,000, maybe more. Because the training has been that valuable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little link. I'm going to leave a link for Heygen so that you can sign up for a free trial. That kind of helps me out when I'm doing the free explainer videos. But I'm also going to put a link to the training, and you can just kind of go check it out. And if you choose to become a part of it, definitely, I have not invited anyone to the training that has not came back and thanked me and said, gosh, thank you so much. And it's not even the $20 that you're paying. You're actually getting a tool called a video funnel that you can use the video funnel to get the word out or the message out, your website out to your client. Because what happens with the video funnel is you can upload any type of video, you on the video, a YouTube video, and then when you finish speaking, there's a continue button that your potential client can push, or you can have it just go right directly to whatever website that you want to send them to afterwards without them even having to press a continue button, either or. But it goes directly to where you would have them to go. So the video funnel is actually what you're paying for. The $20 a month. The training itself is actually a bonus that you get for getting the video funnel. And then the other neat thing is that you get the resale rights to the training, which means that if you want to share the training with someone, you get 100% commission. You set up a Stripe account, and anyone that you share it with, you do get 100% commission on that product. So totally phenomenal training, phenomenal opportunity. The training is actually just outstanding. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can certainly message me on Facebook, and I'll make sure that I get the questions answered for you. I will also put my telephone number in the on the platform that I'm going to put this video on, and you'd be able to reach me on that too if you needed to. So that's it. Make it a great day, and bye-bye for now.